Hello everyone! Today, we have something truly special for you, a system that can help you achieve your biggest goals faster than you ever thought possible. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to achieving your dreams? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're introducing the Quantum Goal Achievement System. I'm your host, Keith Junor, and I'm here to share with you the system that transformed my life from earning $25K a year to nearly $200K a year in just 18 months. The first step in our Quantum Goal Achievement System is setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Research shows that people who set written goals are 70% more likely to achieve them. In this system, we provide you with a fill-in-the-blanks template to make setting SMART goals fast and easy. Achieving your financial goals requires breaking free from negative habits and cultivating positive ones. We'll show you a 3-step system to eliminate those habits holding you back and install positive ones that will propel you to financial success faster than you thought possible. In today's fast-paced world, developing a growth mindset is crucial for personal and professional growth. In this video training, you will learn how to create a belief in your ability to learn, adapt, and grow. Our system will teach you the fastest way to create a growth mindset that empowers you to achieve any big career, business, financial, or personal goal. Next up is creating a well-defined plan on exactly how you are going to achieve your goal. A written plan provides clarity, direction, and a roadmap to follow. We'll guide you through defining your income goal, assessing your current situation, conducting market research, acquiring knowledge and skills, and creating actionable steps and milestones using the provided fill-in-the-blanks journal. Accountability is the key to staying on track towards your goals. Whether it's big income goals or any significant achievement, having an accountability system in place can make all the difference. Learn how to create a system that keeps you motivated and committed to your success. For a limited time, you get all the 5 modules of video, audio, and PDF training, the 2 fill-in-the-blanks SMART Goals templates and goal planning workbooks, all for only $29.99, a $397 value. You have a 100% no questions asked refund guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below. The system contains 5 modules containing video training, audio versions and written versions, and 2 workbooks for any and all of your goals for only $29.99, a $397 value. Price will increase every 48 hours. This is a one-time charge, and no, you will not be signing up for any sort of monthly continuity fee, just one time, $29.99. So click the link below to learn more before the price goes up. Finally, you can achieve those goals and dreams faster than you thought possible. Remember, in this training you will learn a proven system that will show you A. The most powerful way to set goals using the SMART Goals framework that will empower you to achieve them includes fill-in-the-blanks template. B. How to develop the mindset and become the type of person that has the ability to become more successful in life and business. C. How to create positive habits that propel you to your goals and eliminate the negative ones that are holding you back. D. How to create a goal achievement plan complete with the steps and milestones that will get you to your goals. Workbook included. E. How to create an accountability system that will keep you motivated and on track to achieve your goals. Click the link below to get it now with our no risk, no questions asked 100% money back guarantee. This is an introductory offer and will increase every 48 hours, so get it now at this incredibly low price.